Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Realme 5i, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to simply go for the sound and vibration. And at the first we can simply adjust vibrations. We can activate or deactivate them by tapping on the switchers. We can turn on or turn off silent mode. Here we are able to change volume manually by using these sliders. In this place we can change volume buttons function from control ringtones to media, so we can decide. We can change ringtone in this place. Here we can also change the messages tone. And we can also change the default notification sound. In this place you get all their options. We can activate or deactivate them by tapping on the switchers. In this place you can find the real sound technology, but we have to connect our headphones. And here we got the headphones monitor, and here we got the description of this feature. So as you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.